Being off by just 2 centimeters on your saddle height costs you up to 30 watts at threshold. Welcome back to the Fit series. Research from the University of Freiburg shows a saddle height off by just 2 centimeters bleeds 15 to 30 watts at threshold. Here are the 3 ways to fix it. Ranked by accuracy. Method 1 is the classic heel method. Sit on the bike unclipped and place your bare heel on the pedal at 6 o'clock. Your leg should be perfectly straight. When you clip in, you'll have a natural bend. But honestly, this is only 70% accurate. For method 2, measure your barefoot inseam against a wall. Multiply that number by 0.883, the classic Lemond ratio. That gives your height in millimeters. But here's the mistake most people make. You must measure from the exact center of the bottom bracket to the top of the saddle. And precision matters. Binney's 2011 study showed just a 5 millimeter change alters your knee joint moment by 8 to 12%. That brings us to method 3, the goniometer angle, the absolute gold standard. You want exactly 25 to 35 degrees of knee flexion, at bottom dead center. Below 25 degrees, the saddle is too high, causing rocking hips. Above 35 degrees, it's too low, killing your power and crushing your kneecap. You don't need a $300 professional fit to check this. Grab a baseline 12-inch goniometer for $15 on Amazon. Or use the free Protractor app on Android or the iPhone Measure app. Here is your checklist for today. Measure your inseam, calculate the Lemond baseline, set the height, then verify that 25 to 35 degree angle. Ride 30 minutes, and if your hips rock, drop it 3 millimeters. Measure it, ride it, adjust it.